So it's demolition day today. I'm a one-man wrecking crew. Had to clean up all the crap left behind, but I just knocked the one post out there, as you can see, and it dropped the one side. I'm gonna keep some of this lattice for the cat, but look at this monstrosity. Anyways, I'm gonna knock the other block out there and hopefully it'll drop, and then I'll be able to dismantle it bar by bar. And if I got to get up on a ladder and pry it off there, I can do that too, but I think I'll be able to get it tore down. Look at the rot, eh? So that's too bad because it's dry underneath there, but the roof itself is, well, it's done, and you can see the beams are rotted. That one board there is right on the ground, so yeah, I'll get her done. Well, what I expected, so. Okay, yeah, so she came down just as planned. My only concern here is getting it detached from the top of the house there, but I should be able to, I don't know, maybe I'll just leave that board. Because I'm going to just make a little climb for my cat, because he lives in my bedroom and now he can't go out because he can't get down on the deck, which is concerning. So I'm going to dismantle this piece of crap. That's a turkey vulture there, but that is too. But there's two eagles up there, right there, right above me. Hello, beautiful. There. Oh, nice. Oh. Well, let's get this crap done. Okay, so I got it all done off to here. I'm gonna just do it up to here, up to the edge here, and then the cat can still get out, but I think I'll just leave it for a bit. After that, good enough for today, I think. Got most of this burned up, and I got some nice wood left over. Get her burned. Now Magpie, there he is. There's Max, my buddy. You can go outside now. Look at that. So you can go down onto that little step. There's Rio. You're Rio. You can go down onto that little step and climb down the lattice. Temporary, but effective. I don't want him, using the box in my bedroom, obviously. Hey, little buddy. My little boy. You're so handsome. Daddy's love. Man, I love this cat. This cat has been there for me through thick and thin. Every night he cuddles up to me and hangs on for dear life. love my magpie.
The subject of this case